Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel Excel. Got data spread across multiple columns and you need it all in one? TOCOL flattens any range into a single column. You can pick which columns, skip blanks, and combine it with unique to pull clean lists. It's a dynamic array game changer. Let me show you 4 ways to use it. Here's our Pokemon table. 6 stat columns from HP to speed, 14 rows of data, that's 84 cells of numbers right there. I want all of that stacked into one single column. So in cell O2 equals TOCOL, open paren, then I select the HP through speed columns from table 2, close. That tells Excel, give me everything from HP through speed in one shot. Hit enter and watch this. Every single value spills down one column. 84 numbers stacked in order. By default, TOCOL reads left to right, row by row. So the first 6 values are Charizard's stats, then Blastoise's 6, then Pikachu's, and so on all the way down to Camerupt at the bottom. One formula, one column, no copy-paste, no transpose, no helper columns. This is what TOCOL is built for, flattening a rectangle of data into one clean stream. Now let's flatten just the text columns. Same idea, but this time I want name and type, side by side, all in one list. In cell Q2 equals TOCOL, open paren, select the name through type columns from table 2, close, enter. And look at what we get. Charizard, then Fire Flying, then Blastoise, then Water, Pikachu, Electric, all interleaved row by row, name and type, all the way down to Camerupt and Fireground. 28 values in one tidy column, perfectly paired. This pattern is huge when you've got related fields you want stacked together, building a label list, a drop-down source, or a quick audit view. Now let's talk about messy data. Look at this. I've poked some blanks into the source table. Arcanine's HP is gone, Horsey's attack, Staryu has 2 missing values, Dragonite, Feraligatr, Togepi all have gaps. Real-world data, right? Now watch what happens to my first TOCOL formula sitting in column O. See those zeros sprinkled through the column? That's TOCOL filling in blanks with a 0 by default. Pretty useless if you want a clean list. So here's the fix. In cell S2 equals TOCOL, open paren, select the name through speed columns from table 2, comma, and now the magic. That second argument is called ignore. 1 means ignore blanks. There's also 2 for ignore errors, and 3 to ignore both blanks and errors. Hit enter and look at this column. Every Pokemon section is tight. Name, type, generation, then just the stats that actually exist. No zeros, no empty cells, nothing filling space. Compare it side by side with the first column. Same source, same data, totally different output. It's the difference between a column you can actually use and a column you have to clean up after. Anytime you've got gaps in your source, ignore equals 1 is doing real work for you. Last one, my favorite. I want a unique list of all the Pokemon types. Equals unique, TOCOL, table 2, type. Unique wraps the whole thing, TOCOL flattens, unique deduplicates the result. 9 unique type combos, Fire Flying, Water, Electric, Normal, Fire, Psychic, Dragon Flying, Fairy, Fire Ground. Instant category list from a messy column. This combo, unique plus TOCOL, is your go-to recipe for dynamic dropdowns, category buckets, and anywhere else you need clean, distinct values. That's how you make Excel Excel. And if you want to take your TOCOL formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.